digitizing the sales when you already have an account created with Rooble is quite easy. To do so, you get on this first page that has the list of all the businesses that are attached to your account and select the business that you want to interact with. For me today, I'll be selling liquor to my client, and to do so, I just tap on my liquor store, macro, and on this page, just select record a sale. I tap on the top left button indicated add products to select the products I want to sell. Tap on it, then filter by the category of the products I want to sell. That's the brandy and rum. Then to add the quantities, I just tap on the plus button on the card, then add by tapping the quantities. So county I'll be selling 2, Captain Morgan, do the same, plus button, then add half of it. After that, tap on done. You can attach a customer if you want to associate this sale with a customer, but you don't have to. If you don't have any customer, you can just tap on add new customer here. Then add the details, they'll be available on this list. So I'll be selecting Daniela. Sale channel, you also don't have to select sale channel, but I'll select shop. Payment, add payment, you also don't have to add any payment method to attach to the sale, but I'll just add to demonstrate. Cash, amount, 13.85, there's no code, cash, so just tap add payment. After that, just tap on save record. That's it. To view the sale, just come on the same initial page, then you tap on view sales, this top one here, click on it, and you can see all the details associated with that sale. That's all. To get Rooble and digitize your business's sales, tap on the link in the description, rooblebusiness.com. Go to our site, download it for free, and access 30 days free trial. No payment, no initial commitment until you're sold that this is a platform for you.